How to review fundraisers matches you've created on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review fundraisers matches you've created on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings. And now just click activity log. And go down. Here you will find logged actions and other activity, and now go down until you find fundraisers matches you've created. Click on it. Here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.